So using Claude, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and create out programming codes for simple programs that you want. For example, I'm going to go around and say create a simple CLI. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a command line interface program, a simple program that takes three numbers, adds them, and then subtracts them by 10%. Let's say, for example, so I can just go ahead and give it a simple logic. So I'm just going to say create a simple CLI, that is command line interface program. So I'm just going to say program right here that takes, let's say, that takes three numbers, adds them, and that takes, so let's just go ahead and say takes three numbers, adds them, and subtracts them by 10%. So I'm just going to go ahead and define the programming language that I want to make it as well. So I'm just going to say use Python language for this. So you can simply go ahead and give it a logic and say use a particular programming language and hit the send button. And once you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and write out the Python code for me, which is quite simple. You can give it more complex tasks as well, but for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and give it this to you. And you can see that it's presenting the file now. And over here, you can see that I got the programming code, and you can download this particular code as well. Well, let me just go ahead and, let's say, for example, copy the code out right here and take it into a compiler. So let's just go ahead onto an online compiler, program is, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste this, let's say, for example, and run it. And then you can see that I actually have a calculator right here. So number 1 is 67, number 2 is 45, number 3 is 34. And now you can see that these are the number entered, this is the sum, and after minus 10% is 131. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then generate out programming codes easily using Claude. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.